Imagine a world where data belongs to everyone, but can be controlled by no one. No central banks, no single points of failure. This is the revolution of blockchain technology.
Traditional systems rely on middlemen and hidden vaults, but blockchain replaces secrecy with absolute transparency, distributing a digital ledger across thousands of computers simultaneously.
Every transaction is packed securely into a block. Once filled, it connects chronologically to the previous one, forming an unbreakable, permanent chain of digital trust. To alter a single record, a hacker would have to breach every single computer on the network at the exact same time. This makes the system virtually unhackable and secure. From securing digital currencies to reshaping global finance, blockchain isn't just a trend, it is rewriting the code of human trust. The future is here.